So this is the Nexon. .2 turbo, right? Feels pretty nice and punchy. It's on CNG, right now?
Yes.
That's fine. So, what are you saying? You want to shift to petrol, or the CNG is fine? It's fine.
No,
right?
you can shift to petrol if you want.
No, right now it's good. Let's see how it goes. Feels pretty nice to drive. It does not lag or anything, you know, even on second gear, even at low speeds. It's able to pick it up, even on CNG. Got a good horn. It's a 3-cylinder engine, so you can hear some noise here inside. But yeah, 3 cylinders make it. It's got a turbo, right? I think it makes around 115 or so horsepower.
It is able to pull similar torque to petrol for CNG.
Yeah, right. CNG and petrol both, you know, feel somewhat the same. But I guess in petrol there will be a little less vibrations compared to CNG, right? Even the AC is pretty good, I would say. The horn, you have to press it a little on the sides.
Yes, you can say the horn.
You have to press it a
button
bit.
is a little hard compared to other cars.
Yeah, right. It feels good, man. Comfortable. I can see the bonnet really nicely, so it's good to maneuver in, you know, tight spaces. Okay. Okay. It just gave alarm after 80, after crossing 80, I guess. Nice. It's going to 80 on 4th gear. I guess it might have went on 3rd gear also. Who knows? It's got a 6-speed gearbox. Oh, it's got a blind spot monitor too. able to crawl, you know, on second gear. It's not jerky or anything. It's going pretty smooth. How old is this car?
Around 2-3 months.
2-3 months, right? It's done about 4,500 kilometers on the Odo. I mean, in CNG it must be giving around 18, 20, how much?
For
Kilometers?
CNG, I think it is 25, around 25, 26.
Okay, cool. Is it claimed, or I think in real world it must be a bit less, I guess? You know?
No. It is similar to claim.
Oh, that's nice. I mean, when you have open roads like this,
Yes, you can say
you can
that.
get that kind of claim figure, I guess.
In city, I guess it will give this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, in city, yeah. I mean, I don't even feel the need of a fifth gear, fifth and sixth. You really need to go on the expressways.
Yeah, you can say that. It doesn't feel like the engine is in pressure or
Yeah,
anything.
correct. It's effortless. Let's see. Okay.
I guess they have added the speed limit alert there
Yeah.
in case you don't intend to go faster.
Correct. Because it does not feel we have crossed 80. The ride quality is good, I would say that. I can say that this car is definitely good for long rides. It's got good braking as well. Let's talk a bit about the infotainment system. It's got a big display here. I can see it has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, climate controlled AC, right? Oh yes, it's got that. Cool, nice. Oh, it's got surround view. Will it work? Oh wow, that looks cool. It can show only the back view, or can it show left, right?
I guess speed is too high for
Oh, okay, I see.
surrounding view.
Cool, cool.
Whole 3D view.
This looks nice, man. I can say Tata has, moved up a lot in terms of technology and their cars.
Camera quality, you can say, is decent.
Yeah, it's good enough for the price point. I mean, you don't expect to get a quality of a Mercedes, right? I think it is good. Tata did a good job. I saw a speed breaker sign, so I slowed down, but there was nothing. This is good. You can see, when someone is coming really close to you, or when you're driving in the dark, right?
Yeah,
You can see nicely, like
think
who is on the left or right. If you want to overtake someone, this is cool.
it has sensor in that place as well, I think.
Oh, nice.
It will alert if someone is approaching too close. Oh yeah, now you can see.
Oh, so I guess I went below 20, so it was able to show that to me. Okay, I have left the clutch. I am not even accelerating, but it's able to crawl easily on second gear. Nice, nice. Any 1000cc car would have, been jerky. Would have been jerky at such a situation. I think when we cross 20, it is going back to the rear view,
Yeah.
closing the 360 view. Nice.
This is pretty nice feature
Correct.
to have.
I would say overall, very nice car. Nice and a fun to drive car. Can easily go high speeds and comfortable enough for long drives as well. What was the on-road of this one? On-road.
I guess for base model around 12.5.
Okay, 12.5. Okay. And this is, I guess, mid model or
Mid
something?
model, yes. And for a high-end model, I think you will get a sunroof.
Oh yes, I see. But sunroof is going to eat up that headroom.
Yeah, you can see that.
Top is going to come even more down. I mean, my head would dash. So I think this was our review of the Tata Nexon. I'll just take the car to the side.